Alrighty guys, welcome to part 2, where I'm going to attempt to drill out some wider holes in the neck joint so I can fit some dowels in there and make new holes for the bolts to go into so the neck joint actually is proper. I've got some medium 20 viscosity super glue from StuMac. Should work well. You have to also forgive me. I'm watching Jay's 2 Cents live stream. It's just something I like to do, watching his stuff while I work on projects. So I will say I got a 1/4 inch drill bit on here. I'm going to drill in, and the dowels I have are a 1/4 inch diameter.
It is, therefore it be that what I do. Where are you? I'm right here. In my fire. Where are you? This canteen thing rolled down the hill right here. No,
Alrighty. So the hole has been drilled out decently. Alright. Should be good for the dowels to sit in so that the screws can sit in there nicely. The holes were kind of already stripped out and everything, so they were already kind of stripped wider than they were, so the dowels should do nicely. And worst case scenario, I will just glue the damn neck to the body and it'll be fine. Alrighty, and now for the body.
Jeez. Dude, that was like the smudge of all smudges right there. He's dead, dogger. AJ's dead. I smudged. They killed him. Whew. Alright, well, we know it's not a spear bot. I turned the gin off, or the power off, and I don't know if I got any. Wait, is the fire still on right now? Yes, okay, so I don't think it's a Goryo. Or not Goryo, I guess. Oh, which one? It's the Onroyo that has fire on. Okay. Yeah. This would just be purely guessing, but I'm kind of thinking gin. What would a gin? Gin would need fingerprints. No, freezing temps. We do not have freezing temps, so it is not a gin. Right? We don't have freezing temps. Smiling is going to be level 5. We haven't been doing much with the email. I don't know where they are.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, they're pretty much already at a 1/4 inch, so I will be going ahead and I'm gonna first, well, I'm gonna shut down my PC so it's not just sitting here. Alrighty, so some sandpaper so I can sand down the dowel a little bit.
The last time it pretty much started right from the beginning.
Which I forgot to get. Be right back.